I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. From bookkeeping to technical automation, we are the back office partner your contracting business deserves.
Watch this video to learn about tax rates in Xero. To view tax rates, click your organization name. Select Settings. Then scroll down the page to the Tax section and click Tax Rates. Use the helpful Getting Started with Tax Rates to learn about tax rates in Xero. Click the View More Help for Tax Rates link to learn how to set up tax rates for your country, like tax for sales and purchases. You'll see a list of all the tax rates available in your Xero organization for your region. Click the number under Accounts using this tax rate to see which accounts are linked to a specific tax rate. To make changes to a tax rate, click its name. In this example, we want to change the tax on sales. You can edit the tax rate display name, which identifies the tax rate in your chart of accounts and transactions. The display name only shows in Xero and won't appear on invoices, quotes, or other documents you send from Xero. Let's change the display name to Tax on Income. Some regions, such as America, can edit or add multiple tax components, which is a percentage rate applied to an item when you use the tax rate. For regions without multiple tax components, simply enter the tax rate in the percentage box, then click Save. If you have tax rates that you haven't used and don't need, you can delete them. You can't delete a tax rate that is locked. Select the checkbox next to the tax rate. Then click Delete. Xero will prompt you to confirm your action. Click OK to proceed. Now you're ready to manage tax rates in Xero.